Hey everyone, Dan here at Performance Motor Works. We're out here in the workshop again today talking about a really popular topic, which is the check engine warning or the service engine soon light warning. Anyways, you may have come here from our previous video where I was talking about what to do if that happens when you're driving down the road. If not, there's a link to it in the description, so be sure and just take a minute. It's just a really quick watch. But now we're going to talk about costs. That's usually the next question. Okay, this is happening. What's it going to cost me? And so first of all, what you have to understand is that there's a million different scenarios that can cause that warning to come on. It's a smog emissions warning. So literally any little thing that affects the smog emissions can cause that warning to come on. And so most shops are going to start out with about an hour of diagnostic time, and that's going to range anywhere probably between $150 to $200. Now, one thing you got to understand is that it's not just any technician that can diagnose a car. You want a well-trained diagnostician looking at your car. And the reason why is because you want them to figure out that problem as quickly as possible, because time is money, right? And we want to save you money. So here at Performance Motor Works, we have some of the best diagnosticians. Yours truly, I'm one of them. And we are trained, we stay trained every year to make sure that we understand the cars, we know the systems. And so a lot of people think, well, I can just go to the parts store and I can get a diagnostic. Well, let me explain. That's not a diagnostic. That's a code read. There's a big difference. So I have an analogy that I use that a code on a car is like a zip code. If I told you I live in zip code 95555, you would know the city that I live in, but you wouldn't know how to get to my house, would you? You wouldn't, right? So it's the same thing with cars. You can take your car in, somebody can read a code, it's going to tell you an area of the car that has a problem. But the way that we diagnose that problem, the way that we fix that problem is by getting a trained technician, somebody with experience and knowledge that's going to be able to get to the bottom of that problem for you and get you back on the road more quickly, save time, which is going to save you money. So if you are driving one of the cars that we service, a BMW, a Volkswagen, Audi, Mini Cooper, or Mercedes, we're the shop for you. You're going to want to come here. We're going to get your car diagnosed efficiently and thoroughly the first time so that you don't have to waste time and come back. Please give us a call if you have any questions at all about the process. If the light's coming on, you're driving down the road, you don't know what to do, just call us, 916-624-9656. You can also always visit us through the website at pmwonline.com. Thanks for listening. Have a great day. We'll talk to you soon. Drive safe.